Okay, we got a cabin filter being replaced in real time. 2014 Honda Pilot. Not only the camera guy, he's going to be doing it too. So this ought to be interesting. Okay, folks, I'm going to try to give you as much of this as I can. We're going to lower this. This is a fairly easy one on these. All right, we've just lowered the glove box out of the way. And then there's a... I got to get you some light, folks. Okay, folks. Honda Pilot. Glove box has been lowered out of the way. Rather simple one on this model. Some are not as easy. Many require more stuff. There's a trap door behind the glove box, which you take the plastic tangs and you pull the filter tray out. Alright, inside, this one's not too bad. Well, we've done this on a regular basis. This was done, I think, a year and a half ago. I'll check the records. Now, next to each other, they don't look too bad. The new one we're going to spray with Odoban. That keeps the germs from growing. That's the same thing we did the last time we did it. Alright, now we got to take the new one and replace it from the tray. Alright, here's the old one. And the new one's going to sit right in there. These have to be the right direction. There's an arrow that shows you on these things the direction of the fan. The air goes down. All right, this one's going to go back in. Some other things we're going to do too here while we have it apart. Always a good idea when you have it apart, blow out any dust or debris that could be in there, and this one's in good shape. Okay. Again, we put our new filter in the tray. The tray's going back in. The filter's been treated with antibiotic killer, which keeps any mold from growing on them. This is a good thing because there's so much moisture in these systems when the air conditioning's on, even in the wintertime when you put your defrost on. So if you don't have anything in there, you can have a problem with that. Okay, this is secured. You can see what it looks like. As my light is crapping out. Okay. Alright. And then we're going to lock these glove box tangs back in. And we're going to put everything back in this glove box the way we had it. And the wheel lock. Okay, everything's back in there. Alright, we're going to follow that up by vacuuming out the floor in the car, which we do on all the cars. And it's done.